Hey y'all, Chadwick here. It is berry season. I just got back from the market. Look at these gorgeous berries. I'm going to update a really old recipe harkening back to my favorite old-fashioned Neapolitan ice cream. And it's just 3 easy ingredients: 2 pints of berries, 2 cups of heavy cream, and a little bit of sugar. Come on into the kitchen. I'm going to show you how it's made. So the first step of making this frozen blackberry fool is really quite simple. All you need is a food processor fitted with a blade and 2 half pints of berries. We're gonna whoosh this up for about 15 or 20 seconds. This blackberry puree smells like summer. Now it's time to make the cream. Now making whipped cream is really easy. It's just 2 simple ingredients: 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now I like to get my workout on and whisk this by hand. It comes together in 3 minutes, but you can cheat and do a hand mixer too. 3 minutes later, this whipped cream is at soft peaks. Next up, it's time to put this frozen fool together. I've divided this gorgeous berry puree, half in a wax paper lined loaf pan and half in this bowl. And I'm taking some of the whipped cream and I'm gonna fold it together. This is where the magic of a berry fool happens. Then I'll layer this together like that Neapolitan slab ice cream and let the freezer do the work. Ooh, here we go, y'all. It's time for the big reveal. I put this one in the freezer last night and I can't wait to see what it looks like. I'm gonna slice this up and share it with my family. Frozen blackberry fool. You'd be a fool not to make this. For more recipes, tips, and cool kitchen tricks, go to chadwickboydlifestyle.com.